Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP System review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and 100% commissions have recently come in. Down the right hand side here it says my commissions, and you see my total is now $321.85. This blue box underneath is really important because you'll see that it says 950 commissions have been paid to members in the last 24 hours. So this just shows you that the system, OLSP system, is not only converting well for me, but it's also converting, converting very well for the members, and they are earning commissions with this system. But more importantly, I want to show you how you can do the same in this video, and you can earn promote one link to earn 7 income streams. This is called the Mega Link, and this is the product that I bought. And the Mega Link has been created by this gentleman here, Wayne Crowe. He's the owner and creator of OLSP System, and he's done a short video here that lasts about 10 minutes. The link in the description will give you access to this video. Come and meet Wayne, and he'll tell you all about how he's helping people become successful, not just make money, but get into profit and stay in profit online. So I want to show you some proof of commissions, and then I'm going to take inside the members area and show you exactly how this system works step by step and how simple and easy it is to use. So go into dashboard over here on the left hand side, and this should bring up my commissions. Okay, go into commissions here, that's it. Clicking on the wrong icon. And a couple of important things here. First of all, we'll go back to the very beginning. I want to show you a couple of pages of the journey. I want to show you some proof of multiple income streams. So we're just blurring out members' information for privacy. The first, I started on December the 6th. This column here gives you the dates. The middle column here, so that was a Mega Link, and that's what commission you get there is 100% commission for $7. And what you'll see here is you'll see another couple of products here. You'll see Mega Messenger. You'll see Mega Messenger here. And as we go back through the pages, then you'll see another one here called list building. So you'll see list building 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And list building is also another $7 commission. So you're just promoting one link, but you're earning multiple income streams. And this gives you an opportunity to be able to get into profit faster. I just want to show you this. This is really key, because if you look over here, I can find it. If you look over here on this date here, so we've got December the 15th, Mega Messenger. So Mega Messenger is a monthly recurring commission. So that date there was December the 15th. Just make a mental note of that. And then back up to the current date on January the 15th. So today, a month later, there's a Mega Messenger passive income commission of $5.40 per month. So that just sort of highlights the passive one of the passive income streams there. Great opportunity here. These little ones here at 25 cents. This is where you get paid to comment in the OLSP System Facebook group. So I'll just show you how that works, because we're going to dashboard. So when you join MegaLink, when you pay your one-time $7, then what you do is you get this product here as well called Comment Dominator Pro. And this is where you can comment in the Facebook group and earn commissions. So you'll see I've made 21 comments. I've been paid $4.75. Video tutorial here tells you all about it. So with this product, this gives you a great opportunity, especially if you're on a tight budget and you want to earn your $7 back that you pay one time for Megalink. You can build your comments up, and then you can get up to $7 here, and then you can get your $7 back that you've paid. So for those on a limited budget, that's really a great product there within the members area. Now this system really excels with the training and the support that you get. You'll see here in this little pop-up, there's a live training tomorrow on how one member earned $14,000 with this system. So Wayne himself does the live trainings, and there's lots of replays. There's free trainings within the system here on social media, how to get free traffic and paid traffic. I recommend when you join, you watch these two videos here. This one here. This is how Wayne made 10 million in commissions. He's been online 15 years, and the 100 commission hack. So some great trainings. You're going to get all the training you need to become successful. Free trainings, live trainings, replays. Let me show you now how this system works and how easy and simple it is to use. So when you get your Megalink, there's a few videos here that take you through how things work. And this is a training that Wayne does. And I want to just show you, there's nothing hard, there's nothing technical about this. It's very, very simple. Now what you'll see here, he's drawn a line down here. And this line is really important because everything to the left of the line, these two boxes here, is all you've got to be concerned with when you join Megalink. Everything to the right of the line over here is a complete 100% done for you system, and you don't have to. This is all done for you. So what you do is you've got to be concerned with one thing. That's all you got to do, just one thing. And that one thing is where Wayne talks about generating traffic, getting people to see your Megalink. So all you do is drive traffic to your Megalink. Your Megalink is a lead capture page. Top right hand corner here, you'll see your Megalink here. And it's a lead capture page. It's 100% done for you system. So they give you the lead capture page. You don't have to create anything. Your prospect puts their email into there. And this is where the magic really happens, where the system takes over. So to get the traffic, Wayne's going to train you with live trainings. He's also going to train you over here with trainings in the members area. Now he calls it a squeeze page. I call it a lead capture page, where you're capturing leads. And then what happens is, when your prospects go into the email list, then this is what happens. Wayne will send out emails for you. He's going to send these emails out on autopilot. So you don't have to create any autoresponder messages. You don't have to pay a monthly fee for an autoresponder payment. Now within these emails is your affiliate link. He's promoting you, your AL affiliate link. So what's he promoting? Well, he's got his own products. He spent $250,000 on this system. So he's promoting products to your prospects for you. He's promoting products. And these products range from low ticket to medium ticket to monthly recurring commissions and to higher ticket commissions. And then at the end of it all, when somebody buys, you earn commissions. So this is a complete 100% done for you system for a one-time payment of $7. The value is absolutely superb. Done for you, and you pay $7 with no monthly membership costs. So the link in the description is where you can join. And it gets even better because he's created a Facebook group where all his members are supported and trained and helped. So you're never going to be on your own with this system. A lot of people join affiliate marketing and they get stuck because they're on their own and they haven't got anybody to turn to or a mentor or anybody helping them. So he's created a Facebook group. It's got 143,000 members. Wayne himself is very active within the group, but you've also got a lot of experienced affiliate marketers that will help you within this group as well. So he's got every angle covered, everything's here that you need. And then a bit later on, there are options to upgrade if you want to scale up. It's not compulsory. You can just scale up if you want to do and earn higher commissions. There will be an income disclaimer in the description. So I'm not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just sharing with you what works for me and other members, and we've all got an equal opportunity to become a member of OLSP System and become an affiliate to promote the offer. So if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week. At the moment I'm doing a new video every day, and there's over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about OLSP, please put those in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions for you. My email address will also be in the description. I recommend that you click the link in the description. You get access to this video here. Come and meet Wayne Crowe because he's a gentleman that's really doing great things in helping everybody at all levels become successful at making money online, getting into profit, staying in profit, building up, scaling up. So if you're looking for a mentor, then you'll be in very safe hands with this gentleman here. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot and bye for now.